Why is vocabulary building so crucial? Well, it enhances language comprehension, boosts confidence in communication, and enriches your expression. It's about more than just memorizing words. It's about understanding their nuances, contexts, and applications. First, set clear goals. Define the specific areas of English vocabulary you need to improve, which could range from general vocabulary to business terminology or academic words. Second, make reading a regular habit. Reading exposes you to a wealth of vocabulary, and a variety of materials, from books to online articles, can serve as your resources. Third, keep a vocabulary journal. This is a place where you can jot down new words, their meanings, and the context you found them in. Fourth, use flashcards. They offer a quick and easy way to review new words and their meanings. Fifth, focus on contextual learning. Understand how words are used in sentences or paragraphs to grasp their meaning better. Sixth, learn synonyms and antonyms. This strategy gives you a deeper understanding of word relationships. Seventh, use vocabulary apps and websites. They provide a fun and engaging way to learn and retain new words. Eighth, join a word-a-day challenge. This prompts you to learn and use one new word each day. Ninth, engage in conversations. Engaging with native or fluent English speakers allows you to practice using new words in context. 10th, write regularly. This practice helps you to consolidate your vocabulary. 11th, use mnemonics. These mental associations can help you remember challenging words. 12th, understand word roots, prefixes, and suffixes. This knowledge can help you decipher unfamiliar words. 13th, learn in thematic groups. Organizing words into themed clusters can make learning more systematic and memorable. 14th, watch and listen. English language movies, podcasts, and music can expose you to different accents and dialects. 15th, participate in vocabulary workshops or classes. These provide structured guidance and practice. 16th, stay consistent. Regular practice is key to vocabulary expansion. 17th, test yourself. Quizzes and practice tests help you identify areas for improvement. 18th, use online resources. Dictionaries, thesauruses, and vocabulary websites can be invaluable tools. 19th, seek feedback. Corrections from teachers or peers can help you improve your pronunciation and word usage. 20th, exercise patience and persistence. Remember, building a strong vocabulary is a gradual process. In summary, vocabulary building involves setting clear goals, reading and writing regularly, using resources like flashcards, apps, and online tools, engaging in conversations, learning in context, understanding word roots, prefixes and suffixes, and seeking feedback. Most importantly, it requires consistency, patience, and persistence. So dive into this fascinating world of words and enrich your language journey.